we are currently on our way to find free breakfasts and entertainment for Canada Day. So it's a holiday. We're gonna enjoy this day and we're gonna end it with a bang. Diyan po, oh. Ayan. Ay, ang daming tao.
May payaso.
Grabe, may bouncy castle. Okay, tingnan natin kung makakasingit pa po tayo.
Ay,
ano pa yung mga...
bouncy castle ako.
Payaso.
Oh, sige, tingnan po natin, baby. Nakahanap na po kami ng parking. Pero dito sa side ng street lang kasi puno na doon sa mismong venue. Naglalakad na po tayo papunta sa
Bouncy castle!
Bouncy Castle. Happy Canada Day!
Happy Canada Day!
Happy Canada Day! We're going to get something to eat first. Kasi hindi pa kami kumakain. Pero marami namang pwedeng gawin dito.
Grab one, okay? Thank you!
Get one, baby, get one.
Ayoko yan. Ayoko yung
May hotdog po kami. Ay.
Hotdog ka
Ayan,
lang?
I'll just have ketchup with it. Bouncy Castle na daw siya. Paolo and Clea are going inside. Come on. Go, go, go. We're going to the police car and the fire truck. She likes police cars and fire truck. Oh, we're going inside. Yeah, you want to see the inside of the police car? Okay.
Whoa,
It's a big police car, baby.
Let's check it out.
Okay. You want to sit there inside, babe? Whoa, it's so cool.
Kuya, sa loob ng police car, may computer sila. Para makita nila lahat ng tao na naka-seatbelt.
Si Cleo, ayaw niya ng papa-car seat, kaya kakausapin natin si Lady Constable para i-remind tayo na importante ang car seat para sa mga bata.
Can you remind Cleo how important the seatbelt is?
You have to wear a seatbelt belt.
Yeah.
And listen to your dad and mom. Very important.
Okay?
Okay?
Okay, we're going to the fire
Galing siya
truck.
sa binili niya yan
Yeah. There's the fire marshal. Okay. Go up, go up. Oh my gosh.
Is there a button that we can
Oh, you don't. No sirens, no buttons in here.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, let's go, let's go, let's go.
Jump,
Come on, come on. There you go. Thank you. Hello, Tita. Oh, what a coincidence.
Long time no.
Ikaw lang.
Hinahanap ko si Kuya.
Ah, yun. Ay, si Daniel, si Daniel, si Daniel.
Wala may pakialam sa akin.
Tingin pa tayong games?
Oh, halika.
O, tara. So, mag-fish sila for candies, I think. Oh, sige. Wow. Ayan na, oh. Oh, suddenly may lalabas na candy. Okay, it's your turn, baby. It's your turn. Come on.
Alright.
Okay. Oh, ready? Are you there?
Tugging, pull back.
Okay, pull. Yay! What did you get? There you go. Thank you. One she wants.
Oh, the
Oh, she-
unicorn. You want the
No,
princess
she
one?
likes the princess. She wants the princess.
Okay, I'll show you how it's done. Okay, love? Okay. Gusto ko nakaharap sa'yo.
Ayan, tapos
Like
you
this?
spray mo, and then you spray.
This word?
Yeah, tapos you press. Okay, then you press, just press. And then you wait, just wait.
You have to press it really tightly
Like really
for
hard.
it to come off.
Tingnan natin.
Ayan, dahan-dahan na.
All splash.
Whoa! You want
That's
another
so
one?
pretty.
On this side?
She's good.
Okay, you're good.
Okay, what do you want for Dada? What do you want for Dada? You have to choose. What do you want for Dada?
sparkly?
Choose. Pika. What do you want, Dada?
Doggy.
Oh,
doggy.
my.
Dada.
So I sweat a lot?
Is it the dog?
It's just gonna pour. I'm sweating.
Come here.
Oh my God.
Ilan natin na maigit.
Black eye.
Wow.
Beautiful, eh?
Thank
Okay. I wanna see. Wow. Can you give us a bark? Meow! Hello. So Canada Day is almost over. We are going to a lookout. The night is still young though. We are going to a lookout to watch the fireworks. It's going to be my first time here in Canada na makakapanood ako ng fireworks. And si Daniel now, it's his first time to watch Canada Day fireworks, no?
Yes.
And si Mimi din. And it's gonna be Cleo's first time too. So that's why we really wanna go there para ma-experience ni Cleo yun. And we hope na makakuha kami ng magandang spot to watch it. There's a lot of people watching the fireworks, that's for sure. Woo!
Ang gaya ng mga taong to na may secret.
So, it's so hard to find parking. Oh, ang dami-dami nang nakapark. Si Paolo naiwan siya sa sasakyan. And we're walking right now. Kasama ko na lang si Daniel tsaka si Mimi. With Cleo, we're walking right now to get to the top so we can watch the fireworks. So, naglalakad lang kami. I'm really hoping makahanap si Paolo ng parking and he can watch the fireworks with us. There's really so much people right now. Dami. Tapos, hindi pa to lahat. May mga nadaanan pa kami. On the way, nakaupo lang din sila malapit sa kung saan magpa-fireworks. Oh my goodness. This is so fun. Hello.
Hi.
So, how are you?
I think I'll just stay in the car.
Yeah?
Yeah, there's no way.
Walang
This
parking?
place is so congested. No,
Wala kang nakita parking?
wala talaga. But just make sure Cleo is like she's with you guys.
Yeah, she's here. We're just sitting right now.
Just make sure she's safe.
I wanted you to see it.
Ayos na rin.
Sige na nga. Bye. Mag-ingat ka. Love you. Bye.
Love you, love you.
Andun daw yung... Nasa kabila daw yung fireworks. Bigla na lang tumakbo yung mga tao doon. I don't know what's happening.
Ano pa, tita?
We can see it here. I don't know. Ayan na, nagkagulo na. Hindi na namin alam nasa na yung fireworks. Ayun! There it is! Oh! There it is, baby! Takpa mo, tenga mo, takpa mo. Oh, man!